My name is Brittany Blinksma-Stark, and my major is mechanical engineering with an aerospace engineering minor. So when I graduated from high school, I was really in love with math, physics, and music. And I played classical violin, and my advisor was like, you don't have time for both. There's no way you can do both. So I was like, okay, if I have to choose one, I'm gonna choose music. Went on to get a music degree, a Bachelor of Arts in performing violin. What pulled me back in was I felt like I could make a bigger difference with engineering than what I was doing previously. And now what I'm inspired by are manned missions. I'd really like to go work on crewed missions and exploring potentially a new planet to live on, or any other needs that we might have as a species in the future. USLI is the university's student launch initiative, and every year we partake in a NASA-led competition. I started to volunteer with the team when I was a freshman, so 3 years ago now, and just kind of hung around and learned by watching, basically, and by showing up to launches, which was really fun. And now that I'm a senior, I'm the team lead of the capstone team of, I think we have 19 people, mechanical engineering students, electrical engineering students, and computer science students. And every year the team builds a rocket with a different payload, and it's a competition where we write several documents that kind of outline the project scope from the beginning proposal through the testing and analysis and proving that the rocket is going to withstand all of the forces. And then we launch it and we compare how the launch performed with our simulations and analysis. And then we go to Huntsville, Alabama and compete in person against, I believe this year there's 60 teams. Definitely get involved with a club. It's really challenging sometimes to come to school, especially if you're from a different town and you don't know the layout, you don't know the people, and you're kind of completely off balance. It really helps you to get grounded and to find a passion and find like a purpose for being here, I think, if you have a group of people to work with intensely that are passionate about the same thing that you are.